Hello all, welcome to SurveyPod tutorial playlist. This playlist deals with the Base and Rover RTK setup. In this video, we will see how to use the RTCM output. Switch on the SurveyPod and connect it to your app. RTCM output refers to the transmission of correction data in RTCM format. In order to use the RTCM output, the SurveyPod device should be in base mode. After setting the SurveyPod as base, go to the RTCM output menu. The RTCM output are of two types, radio and internet. You can set the RTCM to radio, internet or both. First, we will see how to set up the radio. Within radio, we have three options. First is the air rate. The air rate specifies the speed at which data is transmitted through the air. Higher air rate allows for faster data transmission, but may reduce the communication range, while lower air rate extends communication range, but limits the amount of data that can be transmitted per second. Keep the default air rate, or based on your requirement, you can adjust them. Next is the transmission power. Transmission power represents the energy emitted by the transmitter's antenna. Higher transmission power results in stronger signals that can travel farther, but it also consumes more energy. Lower power conserves energy but limits the range and signal penetration. You can use lower power, that is 21 dBm, for short range communication or urban environments. Medium power, that is 27 dBm, for moderate distances, and high power, that is 30 dBm, for long range communication in open environments. Also, if you keep higher transmission power, more battery will be used, and lower the transmission power, you will get more battery. The SurveyPod has maximum transmission power of 30 dBm, meaning 1 watt. Finally, we have the channel. Channel refers to the communication path used to transmit correction data between the base station and the rover. Here, we can give a channel number. Use the default channel. If there is any interference, you can change the channel number. After setting these three options, click on Change. You will see the output type getting changed to radio. This is how to set up the RTCM output to radio. In order to change it to internet, you need to connect to the hotspot device. Here, I have connected to my hotspot device. Already my pod ID is selected here by default. Just click on Setup, and here you can see the output type has been changed to IBR, meaning internet. If you need to use both internet and radio, go to RTCM output. And here, now the output type is IBR. Just click on Change in radio setup and it will show both radio and internet as output type. In order to get only radio, you can click on Disable in the internet. Then the output type changes to only radio. The baseline for radio range is 3 to 4 km, and for internet, it is up to 60 km. Use only radio signal when your range is under 4 km. You can use internet when you want to survey areas between 4 km to 60 km. You can use both internet and radio when you are doing in populated urban environment because you can get interference in radio since many buildings are there. This is how you can set up the RTCM output. I hope now you understood how to set up the RTCM output. With this, we come to the end of the video and thank you for watching the video.